Hi everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to ask a question on Brainly. Also, I wonder why you want to know how to ask a question on Brainly. Maybe because you are a student and you have a question that you are facing issues while solving it, or maybe getting answer of it. So you want to ask that question on the Brainly app so that if any else person has asked it so that you could use their answer, or maybe any other person could get answer to you, or there could be any other reason for you to ask a question on Brainly. So whatever the reason it could be, in this video I'll show you how easily you could do it. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. First, you have to make sure that you have already created your account on the Brainly app by installing the app from Google Play Store or App Store, and your account also is logged in on your device. Once you're done with all these things, just simply tap on the icon of the Brainly app to open it. The app will just take a while to load, and after that you will see this interface. This is how the app looks. We are at a page where you could ask a question. So there are three ways through which you can ask your question. At the top you could see we have three options. One is a mic and camera and keyboard. So if you want to ask a question, you can ask it by using your mic, like you will speak the question and it will answer you. Otherwise you can use a camera. With the help of that, if you have any question written, it will take a picture and then will give answer to you. Otherwise you can use keyboard and type your question and then you will get an answer. So you can choose any one of these options. I'm going for the typing option, but you can go with any option of your choice. Once you get here, now you can ask any question. It could be any math equation, it could be any business question, it could be any English question. Once you have written your question, just simply click on search. So what will happen is that if someone else has asked the same question and other person has answered it, so it will show you all the related stuff to it. So here you can see we got this answer. So now you can tap onto that answer, can read it, and if you think this is helpful to you, you may use it any other place. If you have a premium account of Brainly, then you will get multiple answers of your question. But if you don't have a premium one, if you have a normal account, then you will get only one answer like this. But you can use that answer into any other place and it will be helpful for you. So that's how you can easily ask questions on Brainly by just pasting or typing your question. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can ask a question on Brainly. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.